May 27, 2008, Steve Gladio led 4 novice cavers into the Sloan Valley cave system. Entered the cave. They expected to emerge at 6 p.m. They encountered thigh-deep water in the big room. The bypass at Echo Junction was completely underwater. Darren, one of the novices, volunteered to swim the 175-foot passage. Darren began swimming. As Darren neared the end of the swim, fatigue overtook him. Suddenly, he cried out, "Help!" and disappeared beneath the water. Steve was a trained lifeguard and jumped into the water immediately. When he reached Darren, he was barely conscious. Darren grabbed onto Steve. Steve managed to push Darren towards a steep, muddy bank. Darren was too weak to stand and could barely speak. His body was shutting down from hypothermia. Then Steve swam into the other side. Steve reached the surface and called rescuers. Rescuer arrived within 10 minutes. Steve wanted to go back into the cave to help Darren. Steve grabbed 200 feet of rope, food, water, and a blanket. 30 minutes later, Steve was back at Darren's side. Steve had Darren take off his wet clothes and dried him off. He gave Darren food and water. Slowly, Darren began to improve. The warmth and food helped revive him. It took the rescue squad 5 hours to get Darren across the lake. Darren was saved from the brink of death.